for immediate emergency response, we are providing cooked food and clean drinking water to these flood affected people to bring ease in their life and help them ensure their nutrition level and ensure that they are not hungry and to beat the hunger. So at every location the cooked food is provided. This is also accompanied by clean drinking water so that the water and food both can reach the beneficiary. The donor in the UK have enabled us to reach these people. Through their generous donation, through their continuous support, we have been able to provide the cooked food on immediate basis and on daily basis at least 2 times a day. ये उधर ले लें, आप इसको कर लें, इसको इधर कर लें, ठीक है ना? ले लें, माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह।